Welcome back to another episode. Today we're replacing this coach light, I believe they're called. Anyway, we're upgrading and we're replacing this light with these Wyze camera light floodlight combination. So the first thing we're going to do is replace the coach light by removing the mounting screws. And once we pull it out, there should be 3 wires attached to it: a hot, a neutral, and a ground. Yep, just as we suspected. Lesson number 1, always cut off the power first. Power cut off, we can unmount the 2 screws, the 2 wires, the hot and the neutral, and now we're going to remove the ground. Comes with a mounting kit. Alright, so we have one big screw in the middle that's mounted to the bracket, which this thing does not have, so we will have to use their bracket instead of our own. So we've had to replace the old clip because it doesn't fit the new stuff. Seems pretty straightforward. You just got the hot and neutral, and there's really no ground for this new piece of equipment. Alright, there it is. Live and kicking. Hope this helps you. Good luck.